A lot of traders using Ninjatrader today are trying to figure out, what is the best way to actually go about entering your trades on NT8. Now, I'm going to share with you today, how I go about, because I trade, the Ninjatrader platform on futures, and so I'm primarily trading like the Nasdaq and the E-mini S&P 500. And it's a great way to make an income, on a daily basis. Every single day I'm scalping, trying to make some money, some profit, so that by the end of the week I can say, hey, I've earned a paycheck, right? Because this is what I do full time. A lot of people can do this part time just as well. But to all my beginner traders out there who are new to the actual platform itself, once you have set up your charts, okay, and I did a video on this several months back, so kind of go to the channel and you can use the query tool or the search tool, type in set up charts, and it should bring some video content up. I walk you through how to set up your Ninjatrader charts. Now, once you've done that, there are a few ways to go about trading from the Ninjatrader platform. Okay, you can either use a Super Dom or you can use Chart Trader. The inexpensive way is using the Chart Trader, and the reason why is because, Ninjatrader platform is free to use for those who are trading specifically from the charts and don't need the access to like level 2 data to where they're looking at the Super Dom to place their trades through. Okay, now I have both because I own my own license, so a lot of people are just trading using the free version. Nothing wrong with that. There is a feature on the charts. If you go up top here, once you hover over it and go up top, looks like this right here that says Chart Trader. That's what you want to click on to be able to execute trades, directly off the charts. Now, if you are have a live account, you may want to switch over to demo or simulation so that you don't, kind of make mistakes when you are basically back testing and forward testing. And, I'm going to show you right quick how to do that. Okay. So we're going to move forward now. Okay, I'm going to take it as if you have your chart open and you're clicking on Chart Trader. Okay, you want to scroll down or go down to where it says Chart Trader. You can also do Chart Trader hidden right here, to where you can basically take your trades directly from the Superdome and it'll show up on the chart. Okay, meaning your order entries. But you can also make entries directly by doing this as well, doing buy limit or sell stop market or sell stop limit. You can place orders direct from the chart by right-clicking on your mouse, and it'll bring up options to be able to do so. Now, the best way to do it is really just to go up top here. When it comes to entering our trades, click on Chart Trader. All right. Then it's going to bring up the Chart Trader here to the right-hand side of the actual chart. All right. Probably need to bring it out some so you can see, all the buttons and features. Right now, I'm actually in my live, under my live account right now. So let me go ahead and switch this over to simulation or demo right quick as I'm walking through this, because I don't want to make a mistake and, place an order. And as I'm walking through this tutorial right here. Okay. So now that I'm back into under account simulation. All right. This is what you want to click on right here. And once you click on that, it's going to bring up, for the option to either be in simulation or go into your actual one of your accounts that you may have. But as you can see right here, these are the buttons that you can actually press to enter the market. You can go buy market. Actually, let's bring this out a little bit. Okay, there we go. Buy ask, buy bid, sell market, sell ask, sell bid. That's reverse. I never use that. Close. And then you have the P&L right here. Okay. The time in force, I always set it today. I don't use strategies, ATM strategies, and then the order quantity. So depending on how many contracts you actually want to trade. Now, this is the easiest way of going about placing a trade. For me, I never enter with a market order. I'm only limit ordering, okay? Meaning I'm entering the market based upon the price in which I want the market to actually accept. So if I'm on the buy side, I'm trying to go long, I'm doing buy bid, okay? Buy bid. That's the way I enter my long positions. It gets me in very conservatively and not having to worry about any slippage pretty much in the market. Now, sometimes when I hit buy bid, it doesn't always automatically fill quick enough. So sometimes what I would do is go buy ask. That will maybe cause you to have maybe a few tick slippage. Sometimes maybe not, but it just depends. Now on the sell side of things, I'm going short. I'm going sell ask. So to take the most conservative route to buy bid, the most conservative route to sell ask. If I want to go in with a little bit more aggression, then I'm going to go in on sell bid if I'm going short. Again, that may cause a little bit of slippage. I never go market order because there could be the market's going to get fill you at whatever price the market is at, and there could have already been some slippage where the market may have jumped, up or down depending on how you're actually trading. Okay, so that is the way that I actually trade, using buy or long, either buy big going long or sell ask going short. Okay, again, you always want to make sure when you have your, whatever you're doing, whether you're demo or simulation that you have, or live, that you have the correct selection as far as what you're doing, as far as which account you're trying to trade under, and the correct instrument just as well. All right, as you can see, I'm trading the NASDAQ right here, so that's what I'm going to have interest in trading. Now, again, like I said, just as well, you can right click using your mouse, and if I want to go, say for example, the market came back to this demand zone right here, and I was interested in going long. Well, I'll go under the market here, right click it underneath the area there and hit buy limit. Okay, and then it's going to set basically an order. So basically what I'll do is I'll just give you an example right here. Let's say I want to buy below where the market is right now, right? I hit a buy limit order. I can change my contract size by clicking on, the one right there and up my contract size right there. So I can set a buy limit to where I can move it up and say, hey, the market comes back to this area, then I'm taking interest to go long, and then I click above the area here to do like a sell limit. Okay, so that'll be where I want the market to, my profit target, where I want the market to go up to and take profit at. Okay, and then once it fills my order, I can go below it here and set up a stop limit, a stop order just as well. Okay, so you can use just two ways to do it: directly here by clicking using the buttons here, again, or you can right click on your mouse and set up your orders that way, using your mouse. Okay, very easy way and clean way to be able to trade directly from the chart. Okay, so this is how I enter my trades every single day on NT8, without any confusion. Now, a lot of people don't like using the Superdome, and that is fine. But again, like I said, most people, they want that free version of the software platform, and there's nothing wrong with doing that, especially for those that trade purely from the charts. You can make a lovely income, whether part-time or full-time, trading the future markets using Ninjatrader. They're a great platform. I have never used another platform, to be honest with you. I have been tied to them for over 15 years now. Same trading platform I've been using since the inception of when I first started trading. Okay, so I just want to share that with you today. It's one of the best ways to actually enter your trades on NT8 without any confusion. All right, now to all those watching, there is a private community. All right, I provide my personal trading strategy, which has worked for a lot of people. You can come over to the Discord and ask some of the fellow members there. There is a Discord community. It is free. The link is down in the description portion of the video. All right, come over and join us on the trading floor on the Discord. That's where myself and other fellow members that are part of the Discord community post their entries or trades on a daily basis. And for me, myself, what I do is I go back and I break those trades down using the same strategy that I talk about here on the channel. Okay, a lot of people who are part of the community have, are passing their evaluations or trading live with their own funds, but I have left testimonials on the Discord channel. There is or server. There's a channel there titled Testimonials. You can see what other fellow members are leaving, positive things to say about the strategy and how it has worked for them and been successful. But outside of that, if you're interested in understanding the strategy as a whole, there's a private community. It's very, very, very inexpensive, guys. But that's where I go into detail. The trades that I post over on the Discord, I go back and I break them down in so much great detail surrounding the strategy in reference to market structure, price action, stop loss placement, profit target areas, walking through each one of the setups that I take, the trades that I take, so that you can start to understand the premise behind the strategy. Okay, so when you are back testing and forward testing, which I highly recommend spending time on the charts to see if the strategy is going to work for you. Okay, I cannot guarantee anything to anyone out there, because I'm gonna tell you right now, you are different than me and I am different than everyone else. So the perspective has to be the same as far as, being able to understand from the same mindset. Okay, your perspective of how you look at the market may be different than mine, but the strategy works if you put the time into it. Some people have taken a strategy, kind of tweaked it a little bit to make it work for their own standards of how they actually trade. But all in all, the system actually works if you stay true to it and you forward test and back test. You should always know that not every trade is going to actually work out, and you have to understand, to have a plan for yourself in terms of trade management or risk management, knowing when to get out of a trade to basically safeguard yourself from a disaster blow up. So many people are blowing up trades, we know that, or blowing up accounts, we know that. But I also talk about that here on my channel too, so spend some time watching the video content. But for everyone who really wants to dive deeper into the cornerstone of blueprint to how I actually trade, that is where you can become an elite or an ultra elite supporter. So let's say, for example, you want to become an elite supporter of the channel, right? It's only $6.99 a month. That basically breaks down to be 24 cents on the day. Okay. Like I always say, how many people out there are spending, just think about how much money you spend on a weekly basis on lunches or breakfasts you may be spending by eating out, or that price a cup of coffee. How much does that add up to be every single week? Here's something for $6.99 a month that could be game changing and open your eyes to a very good technique and strategy that actually works if you put the time into it. So again, if you're interested in becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter, the link is down in the description portion of the video. You'll see it, elite and ultra elite supporter. Click on that link. There'll be a few tiers that pop up. This is all through the YouTube tier membership program, which allows content creators like myself to make content that is readily and available for providing the information, loads of information, valuable information to their members. Okay, so you can become part of one of the communities, either the elite community or become one of the ultra elite supporters. So when you click on that link, you'll see where it says elite tier, and you'll also see where it says ultra elite supporter tier. If you click on each one of them, you'll see the price. Okay, to become an elite supporter, it's only $6.99. You receive all the trade breakdown videos, tons and tons of videos there, plus my video playlist, plus a great video that I did covering market structure for all those that are kind of struggling with that concept there, because that is very, very, very important. It is key. It was one of the most key concepts to actually trading. If you want to become an ultra elite supporter, what you receive is everything I just mentioned, plus my live recorded trading session videos. Okay, I post those several times a week or a few times a week, and there's tons of video content there as well. So spend time watching the video content. Okay, but again, click the link titled Elite and Ultra Elite Supporters, and you'll have the option to choose which tier you want to actually become part of, and then from there you can gain access to all the additional video content to where I really go deep in detail to the breakdowns of the trades and things of that nature. Okay, that's all I have, guys. I appreciate everyone that spent time watching the video content, and if you're not a current subscriber right now, please sub by clicking that subscribe button. It's free of charge. You should know that. Doesn't cost you anything to sub. And as well, as soon as you do that, click the bell, the post notification bell, so you do not miss any other content here on the channel. And last but not least, please drop me a like by clicking that thumbs up button on the down below. Please click that like button. I greatly appreciate it. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see everyone who's part of the community next Monday. Okay, take care.